So I got this Toro snowblower. I don't really know anything other than I was told it needed work and the prime bulb doesn't seem to be working. There's no fuel in it, I already checked that. So I'm gonna get some fuel, see if it'll run with fuel before I do anything. Doing a little bit of fuel just to see if it'll run. Because I was told it didn't run. Prime bulb seems fine. I don't know if I have to have this down or not. Here's a key. Key was not all the way in. Let's see if it runs. Prime it more. It's not staying running. It does run, but it's not staying running, so the card probably needs clean. Alright, so carb's gonna need cleaned. I'll take all this off if I can figure out how. And we'll take a look at the carburetor. It looks like there's two things here, but this is all in the way. And it's pretty dumb to have to take all of this out to get to the carburetor. That's what it looks like we're gonna have to do. I don't know if the bolt will come out or not. This is not a jet. There we go. It's pretty gross in there. This gasket is going to need replaced. I'm assuming fuel gets in and out through there. But I might have to figure out how to take that entire cover off. Or I might have to just remove all this. Because it's going to be easier, so why not? It looks like it's just 210 maybe? I'll be able to reach those two holes in there. And I'll be able to see if it all sprays out through the whole carburetor when I spray carb cleaner through there. Just ran out the bottom right into my leg. Wow, how did I get it in my eye? I wish this straw wasn't the same size as this hole so it would just stay in the hole. But no, it had to fling out, get in my eye. Oh, gosh. Alright, I got the carburetor all back on. So now I'm just going to see if it starts. I'm going to choke it. I'm going to prime it. Well, it'll start, but will it stay running? Oh, I gotta put the key back in. Duh. that's gonna be the end of this video. Just needed the carburetor cleaned. If you want to see me try and fix more things, here's a video you might not have seen before. And subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you in the next video.